Hello friends, in today's video I will tell you how you can change your username on Snapchat. If you haven't subscribed to my channel before starting the video, do so quickly. Open Snapchat and click on your profile icon in the top left. Now click again on the top right settings icon. Now, after that, click on the username here. From here you have to tap on Change Username. Now tap on Continue. Now, here you have to enter your new username. After adding username, tap on Next button. Now here you have to enter your Snapchat password and then tap on Confirm. Now, here you have to click on Continue again. Now here you can see your username has changed. Thanks for watching this video.